Welcome back, guys. Let's continue with our next video. That will be the Slack lead notification. Okay, we will learn in this video how to send real-time Slack notification for new leads captured through your CRM or lead forms. With this automation, your sales team will never miss a hot lead again. Businesses are willing to pay for instant notification because they dramatically increase conversion rate. If you sell this automation as a service or integrate it into your own agency, it has the potential to bring in $3,500 a month. So what you learn in this workflow? To capture new lead from a webhook, form submission, ads, or landing pages, format the data, the name, the email, the phone, the service requested, send a Slack message to your sales team with the lead details, increase conversion by responding instantly to new prospects. Easy to set up, highly profitable, and import ready JSON included. Okay, let's start the workflow. So you have the webhook trigger. The method will be get. The test URL will be this, webhook test new lead. The production URL will be webhook new lead. Okay, path will be new lead, as you can see. Response 200 and immediately. So that is the first node, the webhook trigger node, that will listen for incoming HTTP request when someone submit a lead form. Next is a function named format lead data. What make this function? This function node extract and structure the incoming data, the output. The output will be the name, the email, the phone, and the service requested. And the final, we have the send Slack message node that posts a structured lead alert into the Slack sale channel. Let's see an example. The channel is sales lead, operation post, and let's see the text that is posted. So, new leads alert, name, JSON name, email, JSON email, phone, JSON phone, and service JSON service requested. So we can have with this lately node, you have all the tutorial ready for implemented. I will post also on my YouTube channel the JSON file, so you have the template and modify with your credential. Okay, guys, I hope you like it. Bye bye.